Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about inverse matrix. If a matrix A is non-singular square matrix, then A inverse equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Here determinant of A is not equals to 0, then only inverse matrix is possible. So this is the formula to find inverse matrix. So inverse matrix is denoted by this symbol. So A inverse. A inverse is equals to, what is the formula? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So in the previous class, you know how to find out adjoint of A for second order as well as what for third order. So here extra thing is what? You need to find out here determinant of A value. Extra thing you need to find out what here determinant of A value. So you can observe here what they are telling. Given matrix should be what here? Non-singular square matrix. Non-singular means determinant of A value should not be 0. If this denominator value, that is determinant of A value, is not equals to 0, then only you can find inverse matrix. If this denominator value, that is determinant of A value, goes to 0, then inverse matrix is not possible. Therefore, what they are telling, A should be non-singular square matrix. See example we are going to solve. A first example is if A is equals to, so this is the second order. So first row 2 4, second row -1 3, then find A inverse. Sometimes in the question paper directly they will give find A inverse symbolically. Otherwise in words also they may give, that is then find inverse of A. Both are same. So you know this is the formula to find out inverse of matrix. A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. See, to solve inverse matrix example, you need to follow the following steps. See, you know this is the formula. What is the formula? A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by what? Determinant of A. So first step, you need to find out determinant of A value. Find determinant of what here? A value. You have to check whether this determinant of A value goes to 0 or not equals to 0. This condition you have to check it first. Suppose if this determinant of A value goes to 0, that time directly here you have to write what? A inverse is not possible. Directly you have to write what here? A inverse is not possible. Suppose if determinant of A value is not equals to 0, then second step you need to follow, that is you need to find out which value? Find cofactor matrix. Second step what to do? You have to find out cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. Because you know to find out adjoint of A, we need cofactor matrix. Therefore second step you need to find out cofactor matrix, and the third step you need to find out what here? Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A by taking the transpose. Once you get adjoint of A, next step you have to substitute this adjoint of A value and this determinant of A value in the given formula. So last step you need to do substitution. You need to do the substitution, that is adjoint of A value and determinant of A value, substitute in this formula. You will get which value here? A inverse value, that is inverse matrix value you will get. So see here. So solution. First what I said, you have to check whether determinant of A value is equals to 0 or not equals to 0. So A is given, first step find out determinant of A. So determinant of A value equals to determinant symbol, you keep it as it is, here this is the determinant symbol. Substitute the values 2, 4, minus 1, 3. 2, 4, minus 1, 3. You know second order rule is cross multiplication, middle always negative sign. So which is equals to cross multiply. These two you multiply first. 3, that is 2 into 3. 6, middle always with sign, minus, again in bracket. See here negative sign, here positive sign, multiply the sign first. Minus into plus is minus, 1 into 4 is 4. So which is equals to 6, I am going to keep it as it is, minus into minus is plus 4. Which is equals to 6 plus 4 is how much here? 10. You know 10 is not equals to what here? 0. 10 is what here? Not equals to 0. Therefore here A inverse is possible. Because you are not getting final answer is what here? 0. You are getting what here? 10. 10 is not equals to 0. So once you get a determinant of A value, next step you need to find out the cofactor for this matrix. So next, cofactor matrix A is equals to, you know cofactor sign rule, plus, minus, minus, plus. Plus, minus, minus, plus. So take the first element. What is the first element? 2. Delete the column and delete that particular row. If I delete that row and column, what is the remaining element here? 3. Note down here 3. Second element 4. Whenever you are taking 4, delete the column and that particular row. Remaining element is minus 1. So write here minus 1. Next, third element minus 1, delete that column and row. What is the remaining element? 4. 4. And fourth element is 3, delete the particular column and particular row. What is the remaining element? 2. So mention here 2. So next, do the sign multiplication. Plus into plus is plus 3. Minus into minus is plus 1. Minus into plus is minus 4. Plus into plus is plus 2. So this is cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix. You got cofactor matrix. Next, after finding cofactor matrix, you need to find out which value? Adjoint of A. Therefore, adjoint of A is equals to, so what to do? Take the transpose of cofactor matrix. First row, write it as a first column. Second row, write it as a second column. So this is the value of what here? Adjoint of A. So now you got both the values. Determinant of A value, you got 10. Adjoint of A value, that is, you got what? 3 minus 4, 1, 2. Now, these two values you need to substitute in the formula. So next step, write on the formula. Therefore, A inverse is equals to, what is the formula? Adjoint of A divided by what? Determinant of A. Adjoint of A divided by what? Determinant of A. So now you got both the values. Adjoint of A value is 3 minus 4, 1, 2. Determinant of A value is how much here? 10. So these two values substitute in this formula. Therefore, which is equals to, adjoint of A value is 3 minus 4, 1, 2. Next, divided by determinant of A value is how much here? 10. So this is the value of what here? A inverse. Inverse of matrix. This is the value of what? Inverse of matrix. This is how you need to solve the problems. Next example. If A is equals to minus 2 minus 1 first row, 3 4 second row, find inverse of A. Solution. So first step, all you find First, determinant of A. So determinant of A is equals to determinant symbol -2, -1, 3, 4. Cross multiplication you do. Minus into plus is minus. 2 into 4 is 8. Middle always with sign minus. Again in bracket. Plus into minus is minus. 3 into 1 is 3. So which is equals to minus 8. I am going to keep it as it is. Minus into minus is plus 3. Minus into minus is plus 3. So minus 8 plus 3 is how much here? Minus 5. Minus 8 plus 3 is how much here? Minus 5. So which is not equals to 0. Which is not equals to 0. It means inverse of matrix is possible. So next, find out the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix A equals to, first write sign rule, plus, minus, minus, plus. First element -2, delete the column, that row. What is the remaining element here? 4. So write here 4. Second element -1, delete the column, that particular row. What is the remaining element? 3. So write here 3. Third element is 3, delete the column and row. Remaining element is -1. So write here -1. Fourth element is 4, delete the column and particular row. So what is the remaining element? -2. Close the bracket. So next, multiply the sign. Therefore, cofactor matrix is equals to, plus into plus is plus 4, minus into plus is -3, minus into minus is plus 1, plus into minus is -2. So you got cofactor matrix. Next, find adjoint of A. So adjoint of A is equals to, take the transpose of cofactor matrix. First row, write it as a first column. Second row, write it as a second column. Second row, write it as a second column. So this is the value of adjoint of A. So next, write the formula. Therefore, A inverse is equals to, formula is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Now you got both the values. Adjoint of A value is 4, 1, -3, 2. Determinant of A value is -5. These two values substitute here. Therefore, which is equals to adjoint of A value 4, 1, -3, -2 divided by determinant of A value is how much here? -5. So this is the value of what here? A inverse.